Are they?
Yeah.
Well, I'm missing a whole bunch.
They're taking
Look
turns.
good, Jada.
Huh? Yeah. That's cool.
They must have looked at those and just walked right by them. They had to look at them.
Okay, not past this here. Okay? Okay. You don't go past here. But you can go this way. Hey, Jada, why don't you look over there?
Look over here, boo-boo.
Good eye. Okay, look over next to the house.
Look over here.
Come on, Jada. Hey, that was mine. Good.
Keep looking.
Keep looking, girls.
Look.
Over here.
Over this way.
Ha! You daddy was. She just said, there you are, sweetie. Hey,
Yeah, there's more.
Jada, over next to the house. Look over there.
Look, see it blending in?
Mike, Alyssa, let her. Now they're getting. They're like, give it
Hey, y'all go down there.
Yeah, we gonna have
Go
to
to the
make
end of the
another trip.
hive.
Yep, we're gonna have to
We
make
still
two
got to
trips
go around the house again. Jay.
Looking. Get going.
Listen, you gonna be eating eggs for days.
Okay. You gotta come this way too. Huh? Heck no, I'm making egg salad when we get home. Let's go this way.
Come here, boo. Come this way. Yeah.
Oh man, I can't do deviled eggs with those because by the time you get them mixing all those colors, those yolks look nasty.
Jay.
Listen to the sounds of musical doodle.
Jamie, you can't turn that phone down. Hey Jay, come here. Good eye.
Feeling right.
Huh? Let me look up. Let me see your pretty face. That's so pretty. Aww.
Y'all stay together forever.
Stay next to Jada.
Yeah,
Cousin it.
Cousin it.
Jada.
Jay, y'all say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Okay, y'all gotta take one more pass around the house.
Come on. We gotta find them all because if you don't, they're gonna be smelling.
That's alright. They bring the cats back.
Mm.
Hey, boo-boo, you gotta...
cats around here? Not how they used to be back in the day.
Hey, we gotta count them to see how many we missed.
How many was there?
I had 18. You guys had 18, right? So we need 36.
There ain't nowhere near 36 eggs in 2 baskets.
You know what? I didn't think there was 70 eggs in the baskets at Mom's house, but there were.
Yeah.
Really?
Actually, minus the 2 the squirrels got.
Yeah.
No. Oh, yes, Mommy. Blue. No. Here. I need to keep looking.
What you got, bed punching?
No.
Oh, what's wrong?
Something hot.
And?
Hey, come on, Jada.
Come on. Y'all gotta look this way. You gotta open your eyes. Gotta.
I see two.
I see two.
Where? I just found. I found one.
Cool.
Ah, Jada found one.
Woohoo!
And I think there's one over here somewhere.
I see three. Or two. I see three. Hello, I got this. This is funny.
Y'all are so cold.
Hey.
Y'all are so cold.
Why don't you come back this way and look? Look all around.
Aha!
Aha!
Good job.
Hey,
Look,
Jada.
look,
Come on over there.
look.
What do you think?
Dang, I didn't even see that one over
Me
there.
neither.
That's a little blonde.
Come on over
I
here.
I see the one in step.
Good
Okay.
job.
There you
Good
go.
job. Good job. Give me high five, look, cuz. Give me high five, Jay. Good job.
So, Mommy, what do we do next?
Well, let's count them. I think we might have found them. That's your one. There's something else. And then we'll split them up
Hey,
so it's
remember
fair.
at
You guys have to eat just as many funky eggs as we do.
somebody was screaming they called.
Mommy.